welcome back to my channel. Today's another bag video, but this one is extra special because it's my dream wedding bag. As from the title, I got an offer of a mini Kelly too. I asked my sales associate for either white or black of the mini, but she happened to get the white one at the store, so the timing couldn't be more perfect for this bag because I just got engaged. This is the mini Kelly 2 Cellier in Epsom leather in color Nata and silver hardware. I was debating between the pochette and the mini Kelly because the pochette is slightly larger than the mini Kelly, but my SA told me it's almost impossible to get that right now, and it only comes in calf leather, which is the softer leather, so it's not as durable. It took about 8 months for me to get the mini Kelly. My sales associate does offer me other Coda and non-Coda bags in between, but I like to wait until I get exactly what I want, especially for the Coda bags. I'm not picky with the hardware color, but I'm really glad I got this color in silver because I think white bags tend to look better with silver hardware in my opinion, so I'm really glad I ended up with this exact model. The mini Kelly comes with a strap just like the other ones. The strap might be a little too short for the taller girls, but my sales associate told me you can purchase a longer strap, but that strap alone is about $800 I believe. Right off the bat, because it's a mini bag, the clasps are very tiny, which is hard to hook on the ring. It's easier if you hook it from the under, but I've struggled for a bit to get the straps on. This bag is just a smaller version of the Kelly. It has all the same features. It has a feet under the bag. It's literally the size of my hand, but maybe a little bit bigger. Inside of the bag has one card slot. Now I'm going to see what fits in this tiny bag. This is literally my first time putting things in, as I just got this bag last week and haven't had the chance to wear it just yet. This black bag is from the Row. It's been my daily bag because it's super practical and I can fit a million things here, and the bag is pretty lightweight. I'm just going to take all my bag essentials out and see what I can fit in my mini Kelly. I think I'm going to get a bag insert for this because the bag is white and I worry about getting it dirty. So I'm not gonna even bother trying to fit my wallet and my pouch in here. I think I can only fit one of them, but I think that will still take too much space. I don't have a card holder, but I don't think it's necessary to purchase one just for this bag. It has a card slot, so I'll just be using that. I'm just gonna take out my most used cards, license, and my health insurance. I don't know why, but I like to always carry my health insurance because you never know when you might need it. And then of course some cash for the valet. I'm just going to put all of those things into the card slot. And then from my pouch, I'm just going to take out my emergency medication and my eye drop and some candy. I can fit my hand lotion that I normally carry in this bag, but that lotion is pretty big. It's the size of my hand, so I think it'll take too much space, so I'll probably switch it to a smaller lotion. But for now, I'm just going to take it out as it's not a must-have bag essential for me. Then I'm going to put my chapstick and the two lip products that I always like to carry with me. I'm also going to put my car keys in. It looks like everything is still an easy fit. I already have all my important bag essentials in this bag, but during the summer and when I'm going to be out for a long period of time, I do like to carry my oil blotting sheet and my compact powder. It looks like I'll be able to fit all of it in. I might just have to move some things around to maximize the space. It's kind of like playing Tetris, but it does fit. It's definitely on the tighter side now, but I'm not going to close the bag so it doesn't stretch, but that's how I like to wear it anyway, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. Now moving on to the fun part, I'm just going to show you how the bag looks on me.
Sugar and spice, give you everything that's nice. Come on, sugar and spice. What you want from me, baby? What you want now? Sugar and spice, give you everything that's nice. Turn around and tell me what I'm missing now. 아주 멋쟁이 넌 하루 종일 세상 혼자 사는 듯이 그래. 표도한 태도가 날 더 미치게 만들어. Oh,